let us welcome none other than Mr. Arcel Alamegi.
Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you all around you. For my so small, you seem so strong. I only hold to keep you safe and warm. This fire between us can't be broken.
Alright, welcome to the wonder and the demi-non dance, Mr. Arcel.
'Cause you'll be in
And Denise.
yes, you
Thank you so much.
Nandiyan siya palagi.
And mahalin mo lagi sila Mami, sila Tete, sila Ate Nan, together with your mga kapatid.
Ang wish ko sana matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo para sa magandang future.
Tama, Mother.
Para sa iyo, God bless, lagi kang gabayan. Yun lang.
Yes. Thank you so much.
And I'm always here for you. I love you so much.
Yeah.
Mag-support sa'yo throughout the years.
Respect and love your family always. Kasi sila lang yung laging nasa tabi mo. Hanggang sa magtanda. Even kahit may asawa ka na.
Pagpatuloy mo na yung mabait na anak.
Sana yung life mo maging private din as katulad ng songs ni IU. Tulad ng kanta niyang Palad, sana yung buhay mo is ma-fill mo with colorful experiences. Make you dance through life's challenges like BB and pray ko din na sana matupad yung mga wish mo sa buhay.
I hope you bring it through our fun memories and hold it close to your heart. I want you to know that no matter what happens, we will always have you. We may not be sisters in blood, but sister by heart. We love you always.
Masaya ka sa buhay, magkaroon ka ng contentment. At sana lahat ng mga pangarap ko matupad.
Happy birthday, Tete. Wish ko matupad lahat ng pangarap ko sa buhay. Mahal na namin. Happy 80th birthday to you, Tete.
Nasa alam mong nandito na kami namin.
Next to Colon. Miss
Do not follow your heart. Follow God. And follow your mommy, your daddy, your ate, Nikki. Ayan. And I'm really sure, guaranteed, you will be successful in life. That's all. Thank you.
Alright. Thank you.
Happy birthday!
I love you, Mother,
Happy birthday, Tete. Masaya na yung halaman. Sana matupad lahat ng mga pangarap mo. Don't forget, nandito lang kami palagi. Wish you all the best and we love you always. Happy birthday.
Sana yung mga plano mo sa buhay, gusto mo is in line sa plano ni God for you. Happy birthday, anak. And thank you kay God dahil nagkaroon tayo ng chance to celebrate your birthday. Huwag ka makakalimot kay God. Lagi mag-pray. Saka wish ko sa'yo sana maging successful ka sa buhay.
Sinasabi sa'yo.
Well, gawin mo na ako mag-gawa. Magkagawa mo na ng pag-aaral.
Ano sinasabi sa iyo? At saka, hindi ako magsasawa mo. Luto ka ng baon araw-araw. Basta mas tapos ka lang ang pag-aaral.
Yes, thank you so much.
Sa mga kaibigan lang din niya, sana know your limitation and sana alagaan niyo si Bibi sa pag-asawa.